All right, everybody, we're getting serious. We're not getting serious. What we're doing here is showing you how to put together some beer braised turkey enchiladas to boost a little protein in your life. So follow with me and I'll show you how to do it. So step one, get your pan, medium-high heat. Get your little oil in there. We got 1 jalapeno, we got 1 red pepper, we got a 1/4 red onion, nice and diced up. Get them going. Let them go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Cook down a little bit. Make sure to hit them with a big pinch of salt. Once those cook down, throw a little garlic in there, a couple cloves. So after about 8 to 10 minutes, I smush them over in the corner and put them in timeout. And then now we're gonna get a nice sear on the turkey, not have all the little veggies in the way. So get you a little wooden spoon, break up all that turkey. Shout out to all the moms out there that have used a wooden spoon to beat their kids. I know my mom, she broke her wooden spoon right down the middle on my ass, and she still uses that thing. Shout out to my mom. God bless her heart. Love that woman. So here's the seasoning blend we're using. 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin and chili powder each, and a 1/2 teaspoon of coriander. Next, 1/2 cup of the salsa roja we made in the past video, flavor boosters. If you don't have that, you should do it. If not, get some Mexican tomato sauce. So let that kind of go in the heat for a little bit, give it a stir, incorporate all that good stuff, and then now go grab your favorite beer. I'm using an amber lager, nice little Yuengling. If you don't have that, Negro, Modelo works right here. Water, chicken stock, beef stock, whatever you want. Get that all in there, and then we're gonna hit it with a little umami boost. A little tablespoon of soy sauce, that's a little secret trick there. Crank the heat up to high, and we're gonna cook all this down. So we want that liquid to concentrate down into that meat. And you'll see after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you're not trying to get rid of all the liquid, but you're trying to get rid of most of it to concentrate that flavor into it. So once it gets to this stage, give it a little taste. Throw a little salt and pepper in there if it needs it. And then, hey, turkey meat is done. So basically, you can throw it in a bowl and eat it with a spoon if you want. Put it in a hard shell taco, whatever you want. But if you want to get productive in your life, let's make some enchiladas. So easy as this. I mean, get you a little enchilada sauce can, pour it in the bottom of an 8x13. Make sure it's covered in the bottom so they don't stick. Keep it close. Tip 1, get your tortillas nice and warmed up, either in the microwave for 15 seconds or over a little flame for 5 seconds so they're pliable, they don't crack when you roll them. 2 big old spoonfuls of that beautiful turkey meat, big old helping of cheese, nice tight roll. Get your roll on and then rock and roll. I made about 14 of these with this batch. Get to the rest of the enchilada sauce, cover and smother every nook and cranny of these guys. If you like toasty edges, then, you know, keep them dry, but I cover and smother them. So get you the rest of the cheese, get you a nice layer on top. You can throw a little Feta on top. You can do a little Cotija or queso anejo. They're all gonna add a nice little boost of flavor to each one. So 2 enchiladas are gonna give you 31 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs, rounds out to about 430 calories. So a nice little boost of protein to your day. I put a little olive on each one of them so they can't hide from me. Throw them in the oven, 350, 25 minutes, and I don't know what else more you can ask for, but delicious. Enjoy.